Your Android says storage full, so you delete photos, you delete apps, and a week later, it's full again. It's not your photos. It's one Google setting quietly keeping a second copy of everything on your phone. In the background, forever. You never chose this. It came switched on by default, and the last place it's hiding is holding files you already deleted. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. Today, I'm shutting this down in 3 settings. No apps to download, no factory reset, nothing technical, just 3 settings. And by the end, you'll free up gigabytes you didn't know you had. Let's start. First, move, and I'm going to go slow on every one of these. So, take your time. Pause me anytime. I'm not going anywhere. Open the Google Photos app. Go ahead. I'll wait. Now tap your profile picture. Up in the top right corner, take your time finding it. Okay, now tap Photos Settings. Then tap Backup. Here's what nobody tells you. When backup is on, every photo you take is saved twice. Once on your phone, and once in the cloud. You're carrying 2 copies of every picture. That's the setting quietly eating your storage. Now, look just below for backup quality. Tap it, and switch it from Original to Storage Saver. Good. Now, back out one screen, and tap Free Up Space. It'll tell you how many photos are already safely backed up and can come off your phone. Tap to remove them. That's move 1. You just deleted a second copy of every photo you never needed on the device. Easy, right? Let's keep going. Second, move. This one's the silent killer. And it's got a few taps, so I'll walk you through it nice and slow. Go to your main settings. Take a breath. We're in no rush. Now scroll down and tap Device Care. Give it a second to load. Look at this screen. See the section called Storage. Click on that and scroll down. You will see trash or cached files in some stock Android phones. That number is temporary junk, leftover data from apps that never cleaned up after itself. On my friend's phone, this was almost 4 gigabytes. 4. Tap Trash Files. Now, tap Clear. It's completely safe. This doesn't delete a single photo, message, or app. It just clears the garbage. There. Watch that number drop. That's storage. You get back instantly, and it costs you nothing. Let's do the last one. The one that actually scares me. And because this is the important one, I'm going to go the slowest here. Stay with me. You know, all those photos, files, and downloads you deleted to make space? Here's the thing. They're not gone. Google keeps them in a hidden trash folder for 30 days. So you did the work, and your storage is still full because you never actually emptied it. Go back into Google Photos. Tap Collection. Down at the bottom. Now, tap Trash. Or on some phones, it says Bin. Look at all of this. Everything you thought you deleted. Still sitting on your phone, still taking up space, and still fully recoverable by anyone who opens this folder. Tap the 3 dots in the corner and tap Empty Trash. Now, let's do the same for your files. Open the Files app, tap the menu, find Trash, and empty that one too. There, you just freed up the space and made sure what you deleted is actually gone. Take your time and check both. No rush. I'll wait. That's it. Turn off the double backup. Clear the cached junk. Empty the trash you forgot was there. 3 settings. Done. Drop a comment. How many gigabytes did you get back? I want to know. And here's the thing. A full phone is annoying, but there's a setting far more dangerous still switched on right now. It lets someone drain your bank account without ever touching your phone. I show you exactly how to shut it down in this next video. Click it right now. I'll see you in there.